Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, as you know, we are full-time RVers. We are out here in the Texas oil field. And when I got the call to do a trailer tire, I was very excited. So we have the Demeter ST225-75R17, and that is a load range of E, which is perfect for our small RV. And I do want to emphasize that load range E is for your smaller RV or trailers up to about 5,000 pounds. Anything higher than that, you're going to need a higher load range. But for our specific need, load range E will work. So you do want to check out your load range, and that's going to work on our RV. We are not going to put these on our RV because we are stationary right now for the next 8 or 9 months. So there's really no reason to let these brand new tires cook in the Texas sun. So we're going to put these in storage until we get ready to roll. And then we're going to have brand new tires on our RV to go, which we plan to go to Alaska on. And these are going to be great for on the road for us. And so I want you to check out the tread pattern here. These things have been checked out for a 10,000 mile run, 240 hours. That's double what they have to test out for heat range and distance range. So they have been double tested for heat and distance. 10,000 miles, 240 hours of test run. And this particular test pattern, tread pattern, is good for heat, so they don't heat up. So I'm expecting greatness from this tire.
And that's all weather, is that correct?
Yeah, it's an all-weather tire. It's a radial. It's a it's a belted radial tire. And if you don't know about radials, they weave like this and make the tire way, way stronger. So again, if you're looking for a good, strong radial tire, go to the Demeter brand. They have all sizes, and this tire just, when if you've been around long enough to get some tires on your vehicles, you can tell a cheap one and a not a cheap one. This one just feels solid, and the rubber feels great. And I can't wait to get this on our vehicle, because when we get it on the vehicle, that means we will be taking that big trip to Alaska. Go out and get yourself some Demeter tires, guys.